In today's video, you will learn how to change video background in CapCut PC. Changing the background of a video is a great way to make your content look cleaner, more professional, and more visually engaging. This effect is commonly used in tutorials, gaming videos, reaction content, presentations, and social media edits where you want to replace the original background with a different video, image, or custom visual. CapCut makes this process much easier with built-in background removal tools that can automatically separate the subject from the background without requiring advanced editing experience. To begin, make sure you already have the background you want to use imported into your project. This can be another video clip, a custom background, a cinematic scene, or any visual you want displayed behind your main footage. Once your background media is ready and placed on the timeline, choose the video you want to remove the background from and place it above the background layer in the timeline. Positioning the clip above the background layer is important, because this allows the subject to appear in front of the new background once the original background is removed. Next, adjust the length of the background clip so it fully matches the duration of your main video. You can do this by clicking and dragging the edge of the background layer until both clips line up properly. Once everything is aligned, select the video clip you want to edit. With the clip highlighted, scroll through the available options until you find Remove BG. This feature allows CapCut to automatically detect the subject in your footage and separate it from the original background. Click on Remove BG and then choose Auto Removal to begin the process. The software will start analyzing your clip and processing the background removal automatically. Depending on the complexity of the footage and your computer performance, this may take a few moments to finish. Clips with clear subjects and good lighting usually produce the best results because the software can identify edges more accurately. It is also worth noting that this feature may require the Pro version of CapCut, since some advanced editing tools are included as premium features. Once the processing is complete, the original background should disappear, leaving only the subject visible over your new background layer. This instantly creates a cleaner and more professional look that can completely change the style of your video. Preview the final result to make sure the subject blends naturally with the new background and reposition the clips if needed. And that is how you change the video background in CapCut PC using overlay layers and automatic background removal tools.